Hey guys, this is Study Guide 18. We're just going to get started. Number 1, the perimeter of Braden's rectangular backyard is 86 feet. If the width is 24 feet, what is the length of the yard? So we have this rectangular yard. Perimeter equals 86 feet. So remember, perimeter equals the length plus the width plus the length plus the width, all the sides added together. So if the width is 24 feet, first we're going to take out 24 plus 24, which is 48, and we're going to take that away from the total. So we have 38 feet left, but we have two sides. So we're going to divide that 38 in half so that each side gets part of it. So 38 divided by 2. I know 2 times 10 is 20. So when I take that out, I have 18 left. 2 times 9 is 18, which leaves 0. So I made 19 groups of 2, so I know this side is 19 and this side is 19. Now remember, how do we check it? We add all the sides together and see if it gives us our total perimeter. So 9 plus 9 is 18, plus 8 more is 26. And that's 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 86. And it said our total perimeter is 86. So our answer is 19 feet. Number 2, write the equation. In winter, a sporting goods store sells 6 times as many ice skates as it sells during the summer. The store sells 123 ice skates in the summer. So how many ice skates does the store sell in the winter? Well, it says in winter it sells 6 times as many. So 6 times 123. So I'm just going to do my open array. 100 plus 20 plus 3 times 6. 6 times 100 is 600. 6 times 20 is 120. And 6 times 3 is 18. Then I'm going to line those up by place value and add them together. 8, 3, 7. So 6 times 123 is 738. So it sells 738 ice skates during the winter. Round 239,176 to the nearest hundred. So here's my 100. So I'm going to look at that number right beside it. It's a 7. 239,000, that 7 is going to round that 1 up to a 2. And everything after it becomes zeros. Number 4, Preston rides his horse 13 miles a day, 6 days a week. How many miles does Preston ride in 7 weeks? So this is a multi-step problem. First, we have to figure out how many miles he rides in 1 week. It says he rides 13 miles a day for 6 days each week. So we're going to multiply 13 by 6, 10 plus 3 by 6. 6 times 10 is 60. 6 times 3 is 18. 60 plus 18 is 78. So he rides 78 miles in 1 week, but it wants to know how many he rides in 7 weeks. So we're going to multiply 78 times 7. So we've got 70 plus 8 times 7. 7 times 7 is 49. So 7 times 70 is 490. And 7 times 8 is 56. So we're going to add those together. And in 7 weeks, Preston rides 546 miles. Okay, 684 divided by 4. So I know 4, I can go big. 4 times 100 is 400. So I'll have 284 left. Now I know that 4 times 5 is 20, so 4 times 50 would be 200. But I could go a little bit higher because I know 4 times 6 is 24 and 4 times 7 is 28. So 4 times 70 would be 280. I have one group of 4 left. Then I'm going to add up how many groups I made. 171 is the answer to that. Okay, Santa takes the reindeer on a field trip to the Ice Museum. The reindeer see 120 exhibits total. Each room has 5 exhibits in it. How many rooms do the reindeer go through? So if there are 120 exhibits total and there's 5 exhibits in each room, we're going to divide to figure out how many rooms the reindeer go through. Now I know 5 times 20 is 100. That leaves 20. And I know 5 times 4 is 20. So the reindeer are going to go through 24 rooms. Okay, number 7 is worded funny. It says write the number word as a number. 34,012. We're going to think about that as write the number word in standard form. So 34,012 would be that number written in standard form. Okay, 386,951. Still messing up on these on the test. We've got to look at what we're doing. Minus 347,452. Make sure if it says subtract that we subtract. Okay, we're still struggling with multiplying 2 digits by 2 digits too. Let's remember we can use an open array. We just break apart the first number on top into 78 times 47. Okay, then we're going to do 4 times 7 is 28, and then count those zeros. Okay, and then 4 times 8 is 32, and we have 1 0, so 8 times 40 is 320. 7 times 7 is 49, so 7 times 70 would be 490, and 7 times 8 is 56. Then we line those up by place value very carefully to add. This is where we're having a lot of trouble. We're not lining them up right or writing them down right, and we're messing up on our addition. Write the number in word form. So that would be 305,000. 802.